Welcome to Jamaica Plain's historic Pondside neighborhood, where you'll find thriving arts organizations, a world-class park system, and elegant Victorian architecture.
Bounded by Center Street, Jamaica Pond, and the Arborway, Pondside streets are lined with stately, turn-of-the-century homes that served as summer retreats for wealthy merchants. Jamaica Pond, the jewel of Olmsted's Emerald Necklace, is a haven from urban life and a popular destination for biking, walking, and boating.
Originally a farming and vacation community, today you'll find beautifully restored single-family homes and condos in a variety of styles.
This vibrant and diverse neighborhood is conveniently located near Center Street's shops, restaurants, and cafes. Enjoy an easy commute to Longwood Medical Area, the Back Bay and South End, local colleges, and all that Greater Boston has to offer.